Taboola is one of the world's leading native advertising platforms, enabling advertisers to run large-scale campaigns on premium publisher websites and reach millions of users. When combined, Taboola delivers high traffic, while Checkify Plus maximizes its conversion and monetization, ultimately leading to better performance, more reliable data, and higher profitability. So let's connect them. Open the Checkify Plus admin panel, go to the Integrations section, and select Advertising in Taboola. Here you need to enter your Backstage account ID, which you can find in your Taboola Pixel account. Just copy and paste it into the appropriate field in Checkify, after which you will see a message confirming the successful connection. To verify everything is working properly, you need to install the Taboola Pixel Helper Chrome extension. Then go to the Buy Links tab and select any existing link or create a new one. Copy the checkout URL and open it in your browser. Once the checkout page loads, open the extension. It will automatically detect the Taboola Pixel and display all necessary data, including the account ID you previously added to Checkify Plus. This confirms that your integration is active and Taboola is successfully receiving your conversion data. Save this video if it helped you set up Taboola tracking in Checkify, and let us know if you want more instructions on our integrations. We'll cover them next time. And remember, if you sell on Shopify, you can access even more detailed tracking with Checkify Pro.